So during my undergraduate career, I attended Spelman College. I also received my first academic research experience where I discovered my passion for cancer biology. I studied the effects of a potential therapeutic compound called Nimbulide on prostate cancer cell proliferation. I continued several summer research experiences, including biomedical sciences, Alzheimer's research at University of Pennsylvania, and also scientific research in industry, Kimberly-Clark Corporation. I continued academic research training at Cornell University, where I received my PhD, and my doctoral work focused on the role of SIR-215 in cancer progression. So I am very passionate about translational research and cancer biology research. Specifically, I am really interested in integrating basic science research with preclinical work. My research during my doctoral degree program demonstrated that the mitochondrial SIR-2 and SIR-215 can support multiple steps of metastasis, in addition to primary tumor growth. And my work also just suggested a potential role for SIR-215 in regulating aspects of epithelial mesenchymal transition during breast cancer progression. One achievement I am proud of is receiving an honorable mention for a predoctoral fellowship called the Ford Foundation Predoctoral Fellowship. In my first year as a postdoctoral researcher, I've applied to 2 fellowships, including the NIH F32 Fellowship, and I've worked closely with my current PI to help rebuild and organize our lab, as the lab's been inactive for a few years while my PI was on sabbatical. But throughout this process, I gained experience helping oversee laboratory setup and operations, and we successfully also obtained IRB approval for a new research project that I'm leading. I mentored an undergraduate student. The student participated in an honors research program that required her to complete a thesis project. I trained her in foundational laboratory skills. I guided her through developing her research question, designing experiments that will not only help her but my project, and preparing her for poster, oral presentations, and a written thesis. She is currently applying to MD PhD programs, and I'm honestly very proud of the progress she has made. We still keep in touch till this day. My mentoring style is highly supportive and student-centered. I aim to meet students where they are, which actually ends up being one of the strengths of mine. Students are not only performing research, but have to balance classes. So I always love to meet students where they are. And I also love to encourage curiosity and questions. That's what being a scientist is about, asking questions. I love to celebrate progress along the way, no matter how big or small the accomplishment is. I emphasize positive reinforcement and active learning strategies and fostering a very collaborative and motivating research environment. I want a safe space where students can feel excited and interested in the research that they're doing. I believe these approaches help students build both confidence and help them with their independence as they're developing into that independent scientist. I'm deeply passionate about mentoring aspiring students. I want to help equip them with the skills that they need to succeed in rigorous research environments. I aim to help young scientists build their confidence in their abilities and see themselves as future contributors and leaders in the field of biomedical research, no matter what they look like, their orientation. I aim to help students gain a confidence and interest and enthusiasm with learning science, no matter how difficult the research question is. I hope that students can enjoy the journey and the struggles and the mistakes, but also the findings, the discoveries. Thank you.